Hey YouTube, is Vybz Kartel on a mission to reunite the Gaza camp? Is Vybz Kartel on a mission to put the band back together? Will he do it? Will he put the Gaza band back together again? Thank you for tuning in to Bright Spock TV, man. Thank you for all the love and support that you've been showing the channel. Ladies and gentlemen, I really appreciate it. But today we're going to be talking about Vybz Kartel's intention of reuniting the Gaza camp. If he's going to be doing that, I just want to say, tell him not to bother try doing that. Tell him not bother try. As he would say, tell them not bother try. Yeah, because that will be a utter disgrace and failure on his part. He's gonna fail if he tries to do that. And after all, none of the former members of the Gaza Empire wants to join the Gaza camp. None of them want to go back under his leadership. Maybe members such as Lisa Hyper and Gaza Indu and Gaza Slim, they want to do it, but I'm pretty sure that Popcorn doesn't want to be under the Gaza camp anymore. Tommy doesn't want to be under the Gaza umbrella. Worse, Javinci. They don't want to say that they're Gaza artists anymore because they have their own thing. They have their own thing going for them. So I see that Vybz Kartel is on a trajectory trying to get the Gaza members to reunite and perhaps go on a tour. But what he's doing is absolutely wrong. He should be more focusing on producing hit songs for his sons. He should be more focused on doing a solo album and doing more on getting healthy and doing solo concerts on his own. I mean, yeah, those Hungry Belly Gaza members such as Lisa Hyper, Gaza Indu, and Sheba, they have nothing going on for them right now. Not Nice has nothing going on for him right now except those few hit songs. So a few of them are gonna want to join the Gaza camp and try to see if they can restore their former status and glory that they had in the dancehall. But truth be told, it won't work, man, because Gaza just isn't it anymore, man. Gaza doesn't have that potency anymore. They're old right now, and the Gaza nation, they're older. There's some older folks. Don't let them trick you to think that Gaza is the young aspirants right now who are listening to dancehall music. They're not. The Gaza fans right now are some 30s and late 20s, 30s, 40s, and some young 50s. Those are Gaza fans. They're not the 18 and 19-year-olds that you see going to the stage show all the time. So his Freedom Street concert was just a reunion for the Gaza fans, hardworking Gaza fans, because no little back pocket Gaza member could not have afforded to go to the Gaza concert at the National Stadium. The price was too high. Even though he reduced the price of the tickets to $75, they couldn't have afforded. Even though he was giving away free tickets, they couldn't even have paid their fares to go to the National Stadium to get one of those free tickets. So what Vybz Kartel should be doing right now is thinking about how is it that he's gonna do a solo album and produce some music for his sons. He should not be thinking about getting the Gaza camp back together again. Yes, it's a good gesture that he reached out to Black Rhino, he reached out to all of these artists, but they don't want to be in Gaza anymore, man. They don't want to be in the Gaza anymore, Vybz Kartel. So you should just be thinking about your son's music right now and getting your health back together. Getting your health and your money to where you want it right now, because putting back the Gaza camp together, it's not gonna work. Like, share, and subscribe.